What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nibate Legend 123 and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the iPad Magic Keyboard. So this is the model that has the trackpad built in, as you can see. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open that seal. So now let's open this box. Okay, so now let's open this iPad Magic Keyboard box. And here it is. Okay, so now let's open this seal. And inside we have some documentation, iPad Magic Keyboard, some instructions, and regulatory information in different languages. And that's it. Okay, so now let's set this iPad Magic Keyboard and the iPad together. Okay, it's now set. So it lights up. Yep. And then we go and tab. As you can see, you can use the cursor. Pretty nice. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smash the like button. I'll catch you guys in the next video.